Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the Beautiful Autumn stamp set. This is on page 46 of the August to January mini catalog. And I have been sort of autumn themed lately because I am doing a mega tutorial bundle again, and it's going to feature a lot of autumn projects. So hopefully you'll stay tuned for that bundle. It's great for my customers and anyone actually who would like to purchase it. The PDF is for sale, but I will gift it to customers for sure. So I have a piece of Whisper White regular weight stamping paper, and I think this is 4 7/8 by 3 5/8. And then I'm actually going to mat it with a 5 by 3 3/4 inch brushed metal cardstock. So you can see what I'm doing here. I have a selection of inks above. That's Just Jade, Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, and Cherry Cobbler. I'm inking up the stamp, and then I'm coming in with a dauber, and I'm sort of daubing on just maybe a corner or two another colored ink. So I am kind of doing green and yellow together, orange and yellow together, and orange and red together. Hopefully that makes sense. Just Jade, Bumblebee together, Bumblebee and Cinnamon Cider together, and then Cinnamon Cider and Real Red together. So, and then, yeah, I'm just sort of stamping on the left side of the card front here. And you saw where I placed that sentiment, and the sentiment says, "My heart is grateful for you." For those of you watching on your mobile phones and small mobile devices, that's what it says. And I am definitely trying to incorporate the leaves just kind of in a little strip and kind of around the sentiment. And I'm almost finished here. I just have a few more leaves to stamp, and the great thing about this stamp set is it has this outline of leaves that I'm using here, but they also give you a if you wanted to do the outline, and then you can stamp the inside too, so you can color it just with your inks if you wish. Here's a little trick, and I sometimes skip over things like this when I am doing my videos because I figure everybody knows it. But if you want to save your papers and cardstocks and foils and the things that cost a little bit more money, and all I really wanted was a sliver of this brushed metal cardstock behind my Whisper White piece. So I'm not into wasting, and I have, I'm a part of my own shares too. So I wanted to absolutely make sure that I had as much of the papers and cardstocks that I could use. So this is me cutting out a frame. So I just want like a 1/2 inch frame, and you can see with our new trimmer, it's really easy to do. You just line it up at 1/2 inch, and then you put the little paper cutter thing at 1/2 inch, and you go to kind of like 1/2 inch all the way along. So I didn't cut it perfectly, so I do have to go in with my handy dandy paper snips, and boy, are these ever sharp. I could probably use these for hair cutting scissors. Don't say that to anybody. Don't say that to like anybody who just saves their ribbon scissors for ribbon though. Oh my gosh, that's trouble. So here's the little frame. I'm going to put that middle piece aside, and I'm going to use it on another project. And then now I have the focal piece, and I'm putting that Stampin' Seal Plus. And I find sometimes I need a stronger adhesive when I adhere Whisper White to certain things like glimmer or foil or anything like that. So that's the reason why I chose Stampin' Seal Plus. And I am going in real time here. I didn't want to speed this up, first of all, because this was such a quick card to make. And secondly, you can see that I didn't have any problem with my Stampin' Seal Plus, and I'm not exactly sure what is going on with some people that are having problems with the Stampin' Seal Plus. It's not a problem for me. So anyway, here is my Whisper White thick card base, and I am using these gems. Are called Wonderful Gems, and they really are truly wonderful because they have like glitter in them, and they are just the perfect color for this project that I'm working on. So super happy to be a part of my own share. I get a little bit of bling here and there to try, and I do want to say, for all those customers who were a part of my share, your shares are being mailed to you shortly. So that is my card for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.